In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV files into Airtable. Data Import 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can bring your data into Airtable quickly and confidently. Start by opening your browser and going to airtable.com. If you don't already have it open, type the URL and hit enter. Next, sign into your Airtable account. This part is quick. Use your usual login method and complete any verification prompts. That's it. After you log in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. This is your home base. Here, you'll see your workspaces and any recent bases you've opened, which is helpful if you jump between projects. Take a second to confirm you're looking at the correct workspace where you want your imported data to live, especially if you're part of multiple teams. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice the main navigation panel. This is where you can create new bases and access tools. Look near the top of this panel, just above the Create button. You'll see an option labeled Import. That's the one we want. Click Import. Airtable will ask where you want to import your data. Choose the workspace that makes sense for your project. Then click Continue. Keeping your data organized at this step saves cleanup later, especially if you collaborate with others. You'll now see a list of popular import sources. Airtable lets you start with an existing file from a variety of places. You can pick a CSV file, a Microsoft Excel workbook, a Google Sheets document, and other sources. For this walkthrough, we're going to use a CSV file, which is a simple, widely compatible format that works great for structured data. Click CSV file. Airtable will give you several ways to bring the file in, from local files on your computer, from a direct link, or from cloud storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, Box, or Dropbox. We'll choose local files. Click the option to browse files. Then navigate to the CSV on your computer and select it. A quick tip before you upload: make sure your CSV has a clear header row, consistent column formatting, and no extra blank rows at the end. This helps Airtable interpret your fields accurately and keeps your data clean. If your file comes from Excel or Google Sheets, save it as CSV first to avoid formatting surprises. Once you've selected your CSV, Airtable will process the file and get it ready for your base. That's all you need to do to start a CSV import in Airtable.